What is up YouTube, Simply Strike here, and today I'm having an unboxing video of a LEGO Classic. So I'll see it is the Green Creativity box with 66 pieces. And yes, I got this yesterday with my grandpa, and it's only like $5. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start opening it. So simply just push this down, just like pull the rest out like this. Yeah, sorry. So we have like this, and just like, oh shoot, hold on, sorry. So we have our pieces here, and there's the instructions. Here are the instructions. Yes. I'm gonna put this off to the side. Well, alright, let me show you guys. So, before we start the video, as you all can see, there's 3 options you can choose from making these items. Because I actually have, hold up, where is it? Oh, it's not here right now. But I have another one of these. It's a blue, and I have I made this out of it. This is one of the parts of the blue part. I'm gonna try to collect every single one because I like this series. It's a classic. It's pretty cool. So, anyways, it's $14.99. And if you guys want to order this through your phone, just say 1078 or 10708 or 10708. 708. Sure. Okay. So yeah. So we can go ahead and start unboxing this. Hey guys, a quick announcement. Just so you all know, I'm going to be starting out building the castle, and then 2 other separate videos. I'm going to be building the tractor, I think. Yes, it's like tractor thing, and then I'm going to build the. And then see if it's what I think it is. Oh yeah, hold up. Quick notice. Another quick notice. There's a blue, red, and yellow one. Also, I'll leave the blue. Yeah, I could still can't tell the difference between a crocodile and an alligator. It's pretty stupid. So yeah, let's go and get started. And it looks like we have finished. This is the castle from the Green Creativity box. Sorry, I just forgot what the set was called. So yeah, this is the castle. First video of 2 other videos, and yes. So this is the castle. There's nothing really interesting about it, but I still really like building it. It was really fun. Shorter than I expected, and less difficult than I expected. Hold up, so just check something. There we go. Okay. So as we see, there's some flags on top here. There's the door here that you can push. Wait, can you push it? Oh yeah, you can push it from the back, like this, and it'll open up like this, which is pretty cool. We need to flip this so it's like you can get this out more. Okay. And you look at the inside looks like. I guess you can like do some other pieces and like build around it. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. Make sure to smash that like button. Liking the videos and liking liking me and David's videos, and also subscribing to our channel helps motivate us to keep making more videos. And and also make sure to, if you're watching through the computer, down here, like, there's a subscribe button. There should be a bell icon. Click that so you won't miss any of me and David's videos. Yeah, there we go. Sorry. And yeah. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.